The tissues of our body are built in a step-by-step fashion. So it's really important how you begin if you want to have good quality at the last step. Hi, I'm Farah of Tibetan Healing Movement. In this video, I just want to share a few words from Tibetan medicine about the tissues of the body, or the seven constituents, and the way that the body is built. So the seven constituents of the body are this: nutrients, blood, fat, flesh, bone, marrow, and essence. Gross essence, because there's also a subtle essence, but then that's getting into the realm of Tantrayana. And basically, Tantrayana picks up where Tibetan medicine leaves off. But Tibetan medicine is very much dealing with this physical body and our physiology. So the building of the body happens through this consecutive moving from one of the constituents to the next, such that the best part of one constituent then goes on to build the next. And then the best part of that goes on to build the next, and so on and so on. So the last step I said was essence. So this is like the most refined, purified aspect of the body. And in order to get there, there needs to be enough good part of each of the other constituents to get there. So the first one is nutrients from our food. It is incredibly important, the quality of the food you're putting into your body, because the body is going to separate out the good parts of the nutrients, and then that's going to go to build the blood. And then, of course, the waste part is excreted through feces, urine. But so the good part goes on to build the blood. And then from there, the good part of the blood goes to fat. Now, don't be afraid of the word fat here. We're not talking about excess fat that you're trying to lose, but fat is absolutely crucial for the body. Every cell membrane is a lipid bilipid layer, so there's fat there, and also the building of the hormones. With cholesterol. So fat is absolutely a constituent of the body that's necessary. So the good part of blood goes on to build the good part of the fat. And then the best part of the fat goes to flesh. So this is, muscles and tendons and such like that. And so I've got my note here. The waste of the fat goes to like earwax and perspiration. So these are just natural mechanisms that your body is like separating out. Okay, this part we're going to use, it's going to go over here. Those are our new building blocks. This part, goes over there, and we're going to release it in the specified way. So we were at flesh, and then after flesh we go to bone. Right? And then, so again, from the beginning, it's nutrients, blood, fat, flesh, bone. And you see, we're getting increasingly more fine and refined, because the next one is marrow inside the bone. And then we get to essence, right? So essence is the final stage, and essence it's reproductive fluids. So we're definitely talking egg and sperm here. And I think essence can include more than that. Neurotransmitters, enzymes, hormones, these things. So they're absolutely crucial for our body. And this is now getting more into the realm of like really vitality, the life force of your body. Okay, so take care of that first step if you want to get all the way down to the essence, and for your fertility and reproduction and hormone function. That's when you want to focus on essence quality. And then we would move into the subtle essence. This is getting into the realm of Tantrayana, and we'll leave that for another video. So just a quick one to share with you a little bit from Tibetan medicine about the 7 constituents and this frame of how our body builds itself with the best part of one constituent going to the next, to the next. So take care of your food, get some good nutrients to get that whole cascade effect off to a great start right from the beginning. All right, well, here is to your health and vitality. Thank you so much for your time and attention, most valuable resources. And my name is Farah, and you can find more blog posts like this and articles and videos either by subscribing to my YouTube channel or heading over to my website at TibetanHealingMovement.com. I look forward to sharing more with you. Take care.